Listen carefully. My day. Hi, I am Allie. My day start early. Well, I am a morning person. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. and take a moment to meditate. Meditation helps me start the day with a clean mind. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and take a shower. After that, I get dressed my favorite clothes, preferring to wear something comfortable. Then I go to the dinner room to have breakfast. When I get there, I always find my mom preparing breakfast for us in the kitchen. My parents and I have breakfast together with fresh orange juice as my favorite drink. After breakfast, I check my timetable and get ready for school. The metro is very crowded in the morning. At school, we have different classes, like science, maths, and history. History is my favorite subject because it helps me to learn about the past and understand how things changed over time. We have 5 periods of history a week. At lunchtime I eat with my friends at the school cafeteria. We take and laugh, and sometimes we share our food. In the afternoon I continue with my classes. When school is over, I go home once I arrive. If teachers have given us homework, I do it first as I want to finish early. Dinner is at 7 p.m. Mom always surprises Dad and me with a dessert at dinner. My favorite dessert is cheesecake. After dinner I relax for a bit, either playing games or reading a books. I usually go to bed early, around 9 p.m. I change into my clothes, brush my teeth, and get into bed. And turn off the lights. I fall asleep quickly. However, I sometimes stay up late on weekend to watch my favorite movies. Interesting vocabulary and expression. Before we practice our speaking skills, let's learn interesting English words from the story we have just covered to improve our English. Morning person. It means someone who finds it easy to wake up early and feel energetic in the meditate. It is a verb that means to spend time in quiet thought for relaxation or religion purposes. When someone meditate, they focus their mind, often in silence. Timetable. A timetable in a school, a list that shows what times different classes happen. It helps students know when and where to go for their lesson. Metro. It is a type of train that runs in the city. It travels underground or tracks above the ground. People use the metro to go to different plans in the city. Crowded. When a place is crowded, it means there are many people there. It can be hard to more or find space in a crowded